Hey guys, what's up? What's popping? Please welcome back to another video. In today's video, as you can see, it's not the usual sit down video. Today we're getting into the kitchen. I'm taking you guys with me to my kitchen. What is special in today's video is what are we making, that is banana bread. Take your time and just hit the subscribe button. Make sure you're part of my community, because here we do reviews, we do tech videos, we do recipes, just everything in between. Okay, so hit the subscribe button and be part of my community. Now let's go into the kitchen and make banana bread. I have in front of me somewhere I can mix and do all the mixing. I have banana here. We have butter, margarine butter. If you're based in Lagos, this particular butter is what I recommend. For this recipe, we need 4 eggs. Let me get the fourth egg. I'm back. So we need 4 eggs for this recipe. Salt. This is salt. I'm going to drop it here. Measuring cups and everything is in here. We have this pan. We're using this pan for our bread. Yes, this is a bread pan. 2,000 naira. And I'll have a cake pan. I'll pour the remaining one in here. If you don't have a baking pan, you can use this one. You know this foil plate they use for small chops. So I collected all these ones from the small chops I bought. These ones are folded, so you can use them. I don't think my recipe would be more than to fit in here, but I might skip using this one and maybe use the foil instead. We need baking powder and baking soda, both of them. Vanilla extract. I have the butterscotch extract. I don't know if you all can see, but yeah, butterscotch extract. I have lemon extract. I also have vanilla extract. For this video, we're going to be using the vanilla extract for this video. Okay, salt, cinnamon. I think I have sugar somewhere in my baking container. We know what everything is. Let's start measuring. I'm going to do the dry, I'm going to do the wet, and then mix the wet in the dry. Okay, now I'm going to bring you all close so you can see what I'm doing. All right, I'm going to bring the camera close. So start off with the oil, the butter, melted butter, 1 cup of melted butter. I'm going to pour this in. I melted my butter. I'll show you guys how I did this. Just put it in your microwave and wait. I'm going to break our eggs into this bowl. So be sure that the eggs are good though, so that you don't step on one. Good. The all this together. 1 cup of milk. So we're going to stir everything together. The recipe needs 6 bananas, but I have 4. I actually had 6, but my kids, I'm going to manage the 4 for the sake of this video, so that I can shoot and just move on. We're going to go ahead and mash up this. Now we have a banana mashed up. I'm going to go ahead and add my other dry ingredients and add the wet ingredients, and that's it. 3 cups of flour is what we need for this. I've measured 2 cups already. This is 2 cups of flour. I'm going to add 1 more. So I normally put bay leaves in my flour just to preserve it, just in case there's any leaves. They are bay leaves. I heard it helps send away ants, flies, crickets, all those things that you see inside your flour. So yeah, let's see if the flour. This part is not my best part when it comes to baking. This sieving part, I dread it so much, but yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, I need to trash this one. I'm trying to, make sure the recipe works for my tooth. So for the sugar, it required 1 cup. I put 1 cup, but not full 1 cup, just so that I don't want it to taste too sweet. Sugar and the baking soda. So I'm going to put in the measurement that I need. So we have a teaspoon here. And see it's written there, 1 teaspoon. That's 5 ml. So I'm going to put 2 teaspoons. So 1 and 2. Make sure it's leveled like so, like leveled. So 2 of that, and then 2 baking soda. So this is one. Ensure it's leveled, like leveled. One and two. There's I'm going to take 2 teaspoons. One and two. I think this one is too full, but let's just put it that way. 1/2 of salt and cinnamon. So this is our salt. Where's our cinnamon? This is our cinnamon. So this is the cinnamon I have. We need 1/2 teaspoon of it, leveled like this, half. And our salt as well. Salt on half. This is too much. This is the right measurement. Yes, I'm going to pour it in. And guys, that wraps up the ingredients for today. So let's go ahead and mix. So now I'm going to bring in our wet ingredients here and just pour it in like so, and then put it. I'm going to put it in the sink. Stir everything together. Let's stir everything together. So this mixture, we're going to set it aside and bring in the pan. So let's get the pan ready. Right, while the pan is getting ready, I'm going to turn on light. So I just need just a tiny bit of butter, just a tiny, like that. Okay, so we're going to pour in our mixture now. So we're going to go ahead and turn on your oven before we finish prepping. Again, this is what it looks like. So let's just pour it into our baking pan. Yes. And our toppings. So at this point, don't mind, when you want to do yours here, you can add chocolate chips, you can add mixed fruit, anything you want really. For this time, the last one I did, I made it chocolate chip. Well, this time I'm just going to go with dried fruit like this. So I'm going to I forgot to mix it with the mixture. I still can put it in, right? Just shake it up. Maybe I will use like a spoon. Let's use like a spoon to mix it up. Remember, I should have done this earlier. So if you're making yours, so you don't skip this part. The last thing you do is put in your mixture before pouring it in. I actually forgot to do that. So let's put the rest of our mixture inside. So finally, still sprinkle some bit of dry fruits again, just to get it to look interesting. Mom video. Just sprinkle it around. How much for you guys? So yeah, this is what it looks like. Not too much though. And this is what we have here. It's ready to go into the oven. I'm going to put it into the oven. Our bread in. Lastly, before it goes into 100 degrees, I'm currently baking on 200 degrees, and I'm going to leave it for 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, or even 30 minutes. It depends. I always go in and check to see when it's properly cooked or when it's done. Okay, so I'll show you guys all that as well. But I want to clear my table, clear everything in front of me because this kitchen is a mess. Yeah, it's time for me to make lunch. So this part of my life is called mommy's role. Are you like me that cooks where I don't prep out shit, I just cook? I don't prep out anything, like nothing is prepped out. I'll do it while I need it. Like if I need onion, I'll cut onion. If I need just when I need it, I'll cut it, and that's it. That's how I cook sometimes, not all the time though. it is almost ready. I have a feeling that I can it is almost ready. So let's bring it out. I'm going to bring now, show you guys what it looks like now. Take it back in, and then when it's finally done, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. My children are screaming in the background, both of them. Please ignore the sound. It's just how they communicate. The rice is cool. This is supposed to be this is supposed to be a lunch, but as it is now, it's currently almost what's my I'm using my phone there. It is almost 5 o'clock p.m. So this would be a dinner. Pots are looking like the concussion rice, which is called sapa rice, also called low budget rice. It means cooking with minimalistic rice. Put in and bring it out. If it doesn't come with, let me cool down for a minute. The pan is still hot, so I think we'll transfer it when it's cooled down. Go ahead and cut it. Give it a slice or knife. I'm just going to cut this side. Ooh, if you see how soft this shit looks, I'll show you guys. See this thing. You will see the bread. See how can you see? So moment of truth, let's go ahead and taste it. So I have a slice here. I'm going to taste it and just like guys, this smells nice. I'm sorry for sniffing, but it smells really nice. This recipe is the one you need. This is the fastest, easiest way to make it. If you want to make more than one bread or one loaf, you can go ahead and double the ingredient, double the recipe. This is the best recipe so far that I've seen on the internet because it makes your cake fluffy, smells nice, and it tastes nice. And make sure the butter you're using is nice. Thumbs up the video, this recipe. The rice is almost ready, as you can see behind me, and I'm going to go ahead and serve my family after this video. But anyways, this wraps up this video. Hope you have learned how to make banana bread. Try this at home, try this for your kids. It's a good way for you to give them snack to school. Just put a slice in their lunch box and you'll have fun by eating it. I mean, it's interesting for them to taste the varieties of snack aside biscuit, sweet, chewing gum, and all those things. So you can have this as an option. The next experimenting you're going to see, the next kitchen diaries, kitchen vlog you're going to see will be me making cookies. So if you want to see that video, ensure to subscribe and then turn on notification bell so you get notified when that video drops. Other than that, see you guys in my next video. That might not be cooking, it might be something else. It might be me sitting down looking all cute and everything, talking about skincare, talking about but yeah, this is real life in the kitchen. And yes, I need to do something about having a fan here because I'm drenched in sweat, but it is what it is. The oven made this place extra hot, so yeah. If you want to learn how to make kunu drink from the scratch, watch this video up here. I'll see you guys there. Bye.